Your worst times to travel predicted by Waze. If you don't have a pen and paper, don't panic. I'm going to put this with a gobble gobble. We'll put it on Instagram and social media, so don't worry. But kicking off today, 4 to 6 p.m., worst time to travel according to Waze. Tomorrow, 3 to 5 p.m. Thanksgiving Day, 12 to 2 p.m. If you're trying to avoid the crowd, on Friday, 2 to 4 p.m. If you don't want to see the brake lights on Saturday, it's going to be 2 to 5 p.m. And on Sunday for the return, 4 to 6 p.m. will be the worst times to travel with the most people hitting the roadways. Also, pack your patience at the airports, right? Well,